So I have this crazy idea. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take a mandala stencil from the Crafters Workshop and stencil that onto a mixed media board. So we've got a really beautiful mandala, and we're gonna mix some light and fluffy modeling paste. No, my bad. We're gonna mix some champagne gold modeling paste with some Color Sparx. And if this works the way that I think it will, we're gonna end up making a beautiful rose gold modeling paste. So hi, how are you? So I've got my champagne gold modeling paste, and I'm gonna grab some, I really want alizarin crimson. So I can't find it, but we're gonna use some Merlot. So it doesn't look like I'm mixing a whole lot on there, but whenever I start mixing this together, see how that Merlot tints that gold? And it's making it like a rose gold. I'm gonna put a little bit more. And that Merlot gives it the softest golden hue, or red hue, almost like pink or rose colored. Do you ever come to conference? Who is this?
What board are you working on?
This is actually my mixed media board, and it's a high density matte board that is covered with watercolor paper on the front. So it's a really smooth, like buttery surface that will accept lots and lots of different kinds of mediums, whether it's watercolor or acrylic paint or modeling paste, inks. Isn't that pretty? It's really, really nice. And it looks like rose gold.
So pretty, thank you.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to give our video a thumbs up and subscribe to Scrap Time videos for all the Creativation 2020 coverage.